Hi friends, today we are discussing the topic scope of management accounting. Management accounting is having a wider scope as compared to financial accounting, cost accounting, etc. It covers a lot of elements. It is a topic of recent origin. So we have to discuss what are the areas covered in management accounting. The scope of management accounting includes financial accounting. Financial accounting is a part of management accounting because the management accountant use the accounting data provided by financial accounting. Then cost accounting. Just like we have mentioned in the case of financial accounting, cost accounting also is a part of management accounting. All the cost accounting data is being used by management accountant so as to provide information to management. Then budgeting. We can operate effectively only by controlling costs, and budget is a standard use established to control the costs. So budgeting is a part of management accounting. Inventory control. Inventory is a part of working capital. Working capital management is one of the area of management accounting. So inventory control is another element of management accounting. Then statistical methods. A lot of statistical methods just like standard deviation, coefficient of variance, a lot of project evaluation techniques just like probability assignment techniques, CEC. A lot of statistical methods are being used by management accountants. Then office administration, office automation, office service is also a part of management accounting because management accountant has to prepare and submit a lot of reports to the management in time. Then taxation. Tax administration is a function performed by management accountant. So taxation is another area. Then management reporting. Management accountant has to prepare different types of reports and to submit to the management. So capital budgeting. Capital budgeting means project evaluation techniques, long-term investment evaluation techniques. You will have learned ARR, IRR, etc. All these capital budgeting techniques are a part of management accounting. Then price level accounting. Financial accountant is accounting only the historical accounts, whereas management accountant has to account additionally the inflation adjusted accounts. So this inflation accounting is a part of management accounting. Then MIS, management information system. Management accounting is to provide information, so a specific MIS system is to be kept by management accountants. All these are coming under the purview of management accounting. So these are some of the scope of management accounting. Then I am also discussing one more small topic, objectives of management accounting. The main objective of one of the first objective of management accounting is planning and policy formulation. The management has to make different plans and policies. These plans and policies can be made only based on some data, some accounting data, some specific concrete information. All these data are being provided by management accountant. Then it helps in interpretation process. The financial accountant is keeping some accounts and he is preparing some statements just like statement of profit or loss, statement of financial position, statement of cash flows, etc. These are to be interpreted by the management. So all these activities, interpretation processes are being done by management accountant. Then helps in decision making. The decision making by management is being supported, is being helped by management accountant by providing timely information. Then controlling the financial aspects of the firm. All the financial areas of the firm are under the control of management accountants. Reporting. The main objective, one of the main objective of management accounting is reporting. Whenever the management has to take decisions, they need some reports as to the financial position of the company. So the reports related to the financial position are being provided in time by the management accountants. Then motivating. He has to motivate the management to take better decisions. Then helps in organizing. We are providing information to management for better organizing purpose. Then coordinating the operations, different operations of the company, especially the financial aspects, are being coordinated by the management accountants. These are the areas now we are discussing. Okay, thank you.